Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss exercise 3 of I from the chapter matrices. If you didn't watch my previous videos, the link is in the description. Okay, solve the following systems of homogeneous equations. The question is given as 2x plus 3y minus z equals to 0, x minus y minus 2z equals to 0, 3x plus y plus 3z equals to 0. Now first of all we need to create the coefficient matrix. So x coefficient is 2, y coefficient is 3 and z coefficient is minus 1. Next, x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is minus 1 and z coefficient is minus 2. X coefficient is 3, y coefficient is 1 and z coefficient is 3. Now, this matrix I am taking it as A. For this matrix A, we need to find out the rank. So, for that I am going to solve the determinant. Plus, minus, plus. So 2 into, if we remove this column as well as row, minus 1 into 3 minus 1 into minus 2 minus 2, but already minus is there, so it will become plus 2. Next, second element if you move, that is minus 3 into, if we remove the row and column, 1 into 3 minus 3 into minus 2 minus 6, but already minus is there, so it will become plus 6. Next, third element, plus into minus 1 into 1 minus 3 into minus 1 minus 3, already minus is there, so it will become plus 3. Okay, now let us simplify this. 2 into minus 3 plus 2 minus 1 minus 3 into 3 plus 6 9 minus 1 into 1 plus 3 3. So 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 into 9 minus 27 minus 1 into 3 minus 3. So if we simplify this, what we will get then? Minus 27. Oh, sorry, here it is 1 plus 3 4, right? Plus 3 4, so it will become minus 4 then. Okay, minus 27 minus 2 minus 29 minus 29 minus 4, it's nothing but minus 33. So the determinant is not equals to 0, then the rank is exactly equal to the order of the matrix. So rank of the matrix A is nothing but here 3 by 3 order, right? So rank will be 3 again. So now whenever the rank is 3, the system will be having the trivial solution. It's nothing but x value, y value, z value, all three will be equals to 0. Next, second question. 3x plus y minus 2z equals to 0. X plus y plus z equals to 0. X minus 2y plus z equals to 0. So now first of all, by using these three equations, we need to write the matrix first. X coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, x coefficient, y coefficient and z coefficient. So now for this, if we find out the determinant, plus minus plus, so okay, let us solve for the determinant now. 3 into, if we remove the column as well as row, 1 1s are 1 minus 2 into 1 minus 2, but already minus is there, so it will become plus 2. Next, second equation, minus 1 into, if we remove the row as well as column, 1 1s are 1 minus 1 1s are 1. Next, last element, minus 2 times 1 into minus 2 minus 1 1s are 1. Okay, if we simplify this, 3 times 1 plus 2 3 minus 1 into 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 into minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So now 3 3s are 9 minus 1 into 0 0 minus into minus plus 2 3s are 6. So it will become 9 minus 0 is 9, 9 plus 6 15. So the determinant of the matrix is not equals to 0, then the rank will be equals to the number of rows. So here number of rows are 3 in number, so then the rank also 3 only. So if rank is 3, then the system has the trivial solutions. It means x is equals to, y equals to, z equals to 0. Next, let us check the third question. X plus y minus 2z equals to 0. 2x plus y minus 3z equals to 0. 5x plus 4y minus 9z equals to 0. Okay, now let us create the matrix first. 1 1 minus 2, 2 1 minus 3, 5 4 minus 9. So for this matrix, if we find out the determinant, plus minus plus, So 1 into, if we remove the column and row, 1 into minus 10 minus 9 minus 4 into minus 3 minus 12. Already minus is there, so plus 12. Next will be minus 1 into, if we remove the row and column, 2 into minus 9 minus 18 minus 5 into minus 3 minus 15. Already minus is there, so it will become plus 15. Next, last one will be minus 2 into row and column. If we remove, 2 4s are 8 minus 5 1s are 5. Okay, if you observe this, 1 into minus 9 plus 12, 3, minus 1 into minus 18 plus 15, sorry, minus 18 plus 15 minus 3, minus 2 into 8 minus 5, 3. So 1 3s are 3, minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3, minus 2 3s are 6. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. So here we got the determinant as 0, then the rank is not equals to 3. So the rank should be less than 3, because here we got the determinant as 0. So now rank is less than 3, right? So from the given matrix only we need to pick one 2 by 2 submatrix. So for that I am taking 1 1 2 1. 1 1 2 1. For this matrix we need to find out the determinant now. 1 into 1 1 minus 2 1s are 2. So 1 minus 2 is nothing but minus 1. So minus 1 is not equals to 0. Here minus 1 is not equals to 0. Then the rank of this determinant, rank of this matrix is nothing but 2. So here rank we got as 2. Then the system will be having non-trivial solutions. So what it will be then? X is equals to, Y is equals to, Z is equals to some constant K. Okay, then let's move to the last question. The question is X plus Y minus Z is equals to 0. X minus 2Y plus Z is equals to 0. 3X plus 6Y minus 5Z is equals to 0. Okay, now writing the X coefficient, Y coefficient, Z coefficient, X coefficient, Y coefficient, Z coefficient, X coefficient, Y coefficient and Z coefficient. So we will get one matrix. Now from this matrix we need to find out the determinant. It will become plus minus plus. So what it will be then? 1 into minus 2 into minus 5 plus 10 minus 6 1s are 6. Then second element, minus 1 into minus 5 minus 5 minus 3 1s are 3. Then last element, minus 1 into 6 6 minus 3 into minus 2 minus 6, then it will become plus 6. Okay, if we simplify this further, 1 into 10 minus 6 is 4, minus 1 into minus 5 minus 3 is minus 8, minus 1 into 6 plus 6 is 12. Okay, if we simplify this, 1 4s are 4, minus into minus plus, 1 8s are 8, minus 1 12s are 12. So 4 plus 8 12 minus 12. 12 minus 12 is nothing but 0. Here the determinant we got as 0. Then rank of the matrix is not 3. So it should be definitely less than 3 only. Now we will take the 2 by 2 submatrix from the question. I am going to take these 4. 1 1 1 minus 2. 1 1 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. Okay, for this submatrix let us find out the determinant now. So 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 1 1s are 1, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3. So this minus 3 is not equals to 0. Then obviously we can say that rank of the matrix is 2, because we took 2 by 2 matrix in which 2 rows are there. Okay, now rank of the matrix A we got as 2 means it will be having non-trivial solutions. Okay, so for that what I will do is the given matrix, to finding the XYZ values, I will do small modifications in the given question. The given question matrix is 1 1 minus 1, 1 1 minus 1, and second row is 1 minus 2 1, 1 minus 2 1, and the third row will be 3 6 minus 5, 3 6 minus 5. So in this I will do modification, that is R2 I will change to R2 minus R1 and R3 I will change to R3 minus 3R1. Okay, let us observe then what happens. So first row as it is 1 1 minus 1, then second row will be R2 minus R1, right? So 1 minus 1 0 minus 2 minus 1 minus 3 1, it's already minus, so it will become plus 1 plus 1, it's nothing but 2. Next last one if we take, that is R3 we took as R3 minus 3R1. So here it will become 3 times. So 3 minus 3 0. It will become 3 times. 6 minus 3, it's nothing but 3 again. So this will become 3 times, but it is already minus, so it will become plus now. So minus 5 plus 3, it will become minus 2. Now if you observe this second row and third row, both are same, except the symbol is different, but both are same only. Okay, otherwise no problem. For more clarity, row 2, row 3 I will multiply with a negative symbol. So what it will become then? This plus will become minus, this minus will become plus. Okay, now if you observe row 2, row 3, both are same. So here also we can say that it is a rank 2 only. So now this is x coefficient, this is y coefficient, this is z coefficient, right? So if you write the equation for that, x plus y minus z equals to 0. The same way, this is x coefficient, so 0x, no need at all. So this is a y coefficient, so minus 3y, and this is z coefficient plus 2z is equals to 0. So this second one only I will modify again. 0x not necessary, minus 3y plus 2z is equals to 0. So first equation and second equation both we have. So now what I will take is, let constant z is equals to some constant k. Then what will be the y value? 2k by 3. Then x value should be k by 3. So x value is k by 3 and y value is 2k by 3 and z is equals to k for any real number of k. Till now, if you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.